Isaiah 24:18. And it shall come to pass, that he who fleeth from the noise of the fear shall fall into the pit. And he that cometh up out of the midst of the pit shall be taken in the snare. For the windows from on high are open, and the foundations of the earth do shake. October 6, 2012. A mysterious boom sound startled the Ocean County community. Police say that they have not one clue where the sound is coming from. Residents say they remain on edge because the sound sounded like an explosion. November 5th, 2012. Ringwood, New Jersey residents were startled by an earthquake that hit with a magnitude of 2.0. The depth of the earthquake was 3 miles.